माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस के बारे में पढ़ते हैं अब हम। ये हमारा आई थिंक सेवेंथ या वीडियो या एट्थ वीडियो रहेगा। Microsoft Office was developed by in Microsoft Inc. in 1980s. It's a collection of software based on specific purpose and mainly used in office work. You can start any software of MS Office by using a start button. 5 पैकेजेस रहते हैं: MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Outlook. MS Word क्या होता है? Is word processing application is one of the most important widely used application found on computer. Word processing software mainly used for the creation of text-based documents. It provides tools for composing, editing, formatting, printing documents smaller than 45K. WordStar, EasyWord, Notepad for Windows. Start MS Word. Click Start All Programs. Microsoft Office Word. Components of Microsoft Word is title bar. It shows the name of the application and name of the file. It consists of 3 buttons: minimize, restore, close button. Reduce the window but Word still active. Restore brings Word window to the maximum original size. Close button brings us out of the Word. Standard toolbar, it displays the symbol for the common operation like open, print, save. Formatting toolbar है, it displays the options which can be used to format our document like font size, type of the font, bold, underline, italicize, bullets, alignment of the text, etc. Ribbon is a set of tools, commands across the top of the screen. It consists of a panel of commands which are organized into a set of tabs. Tabs on the ribbon, it contains the buttons needed to edit characters, text and layout. Home tab consists of clipboard, cut, copy, paste, font size, paragraph, bullet, styles, editing, find and replace. रिबन क्या होता है? टूल्स एंड कमांड्स अक्रॉस द टॉप ऑफ द स्क्रीन, सबसे ऊपर. टैब क्या होता है? इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ बटन्स नीडेड टू एडिट कैरेक्टर्स, जैसे होम टैब हुआ जो ऊपर लिखा रहता है ना, कट, कॉपी, पेस्ट, फॉन्ट साइज. फिर इंसर्ट, कोई भी अगर आपको न्यू चीज़ इंसर्ट करनी है, cover page, blank page, page layout, review tab, view tab, ruler, it appears on the top of the document window. It allows to format the horizontal vertical alignment of text in a document. There are two types of rulers होते हैं, horizontal और vertical. फिर है status bar, work area, it is rectangular area of the document window you use to type the text. It is also called as workspace. फिर है cursor, it is called insertion pointer. It denotes the place where text, graphics or any other item would be placed when you type, overwrite or insert them. New है control plus N, create a new document. Open, control plus O, opens an existing document. Alt control F2 opens new document. Control shift F6 open to another open Microsoft Word account document. Save, control plus S, shift plus F12 saves the active document. F12 save as, control plus A select all contents of the page. Print है control plus P, control shift F12 prints the active document. Print preview, control F2 displays the full pages as they are printed. Spelling, F7 checks the spelling in active document. F5 open the find, replace, go to window. Cut, control X, copy, control plus C, paste, control V, shift insert, format printer, control shift C, undo, control Z, redo, reverse the action of the undo button. Help provides the help for working on MS Word. Control F opens find box. Control K inserts link. Control shift star views or hide non-printing characters. Control plus left arrow moves one word to the left. Control right moves one word to the right. Control up moves to the beginning of the line or paragraph. Control down arrow moves to the end of the paragraph. Control del deletes word to the right of cursor. Deletes word to the left of cursor. End moves the cursor to the end of the document. Moves the cursor to the beginning of the document. Insert the current date. Alt shift D. फिर है स्टाइल, कंट्रोल शिफ्ट एस अप्लाइज अ स्टाइल और रिकॉर्ड्स अ स्टाइल बाय एग्जांपल. फॉन्ट है Control Shift F changes the font of the selection like appearance and the shape of the letters, numbers to the special characters. Font size Control Shift P changes the font size of the selections. Control B makes the selection bold. Italic makes the selection italic. Formats the selection with continuous underline. Aligned left aligns the paragraph at the right indent. Centers the paragraph between the indents, aligns the paragraph at right indent. Justify aligns the paragraph with both right and left. Numbering, numbered list based on the current default. Bulleted list based on the current default. Decrease intent paragraph indentation, decrease or promotes the selection at one level. Increases indent or denotes the selection of one level. Borders shows or hide the border, highlights a selected piece of text in the chosen color, selects and applies the font color. Features of Microsoft Word. MS Word is the most popular word processing application due to its user-friendly features as described below. Text editing. It provides tremendous flexibility in terms of editing, adding, deleting, modification of text content, cut, copy, paste. When we cut any text in our document, then it will save in hard drive temporarily till we paste it on the other place. Features of Microsoft Word. टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग समझ में आ गया. फॉर्मेट टेक्स्ट बेसिकली किसी भी टेक्स्ट को अगर किसी भी डिज़ाइन में कन्वर्ट करना है, बोल्ड, इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन, उसको फॉर्मेटिंग कहते हैं. इंडेंटेशन डिनोट्स द डिस्टेंस, टेक्स्ट बाउंड्रीज एंड पेज मार्जिन. इट ऑफर्स 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इंडेंटेशन: पॉजिटिव, हैंग, नेगेटिव. Page orientation facilitates the selection of type text printed or visible in horizontal view, vertical view. Find and replace. The feature allows flexibility and comfort to the user to replace a text with a substituted text at all places. Spell check. This facilitates automatic and manual checking of spelling mistakes and also suggests a few possible alternate options for incorrect spelling words. Thesaurus contains a comprehensive dictionary, and Thesaurus features offer synonym options for a word, bullets, and numbering. The list of bullets and numbering features used for tables, list, pages, and tables of content. Bullets are arranged in an ordered list, and numbering are arranged in ordered list. Mail merges. Word provides a mail merge to address line number or recipients with a common text document. Graphics provide facility of incorporating drawings in documents which enhance their usefulness. Object linking and embedding is a program integration technology that is used to share information between programs through objects. Objects save entities like chart, equation, video clip, audio clip, picture. Save a document, create a new document, it will be saved into hard drive. To save a document, user has 3 common ways. To click save option, Control plus S, select save button from standard toolbar. ये सब चीज़ें एग्ज़ाम में तो नहीं आएंगी, लेकिन एक जानकारी होना चाहिए. जिन लोगों को कंप्यूटर चलाना आता है वो सबको तो ये जानकारी वैसे भी रहती है. फिर है हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल स्क्रॉल बार्स. It enables one to move up, down, or left, right across the window. Horizontal scroll bar is located above the status bar to back and forth the document. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen to move up down document. Page break is group of insert tab where it defines the page breaks in the document as per choice. कहीं पे भी आप पेज को ब्रेक कर सकते हो. ऑटो स्पेल चेक क्या होता है? इट्स अ टूल इन ए वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट विच इज़ यूज टू रिमूव स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक इन ए डॉक्यूमेंट. इफ एनी मिस्टेक इज फाउंड देन इट ऑल्सो सजेस्ट करेक्शंस. फिर है टिटबिट्स. MS Word first released in 1983 under the name Multi-Tool Word for Xenix System. Default name of new MS Word is Document 1. File format of MS Word is .doc, .docs in MS Word. A default alignment for paragraph is centered. Microsoft Excel. An electronic spreadsheet is used for analyzing, sharing, managing information for accounting purpose, performing mathematical calculations, budgeting, billing, etc. A spreadsheet is a matrix of rows and columns similar to an accounting ledger. The spreadsheet program also provides tools for creating graphs, inserting pictures and chart, analyzing data. ये सब तो आपको पता ही है कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल क्या करता है. इट्स एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्प्रेडशीट इज यूज्ड फॉर एनालाइज शेयरिंग मैनेजिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन अकाउंटिंग पर्पज परफॉर्मिंग मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस बजटिंग बिलिंग एक्सेट्रा. फिर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल क्या करता है, कोरल क्वाट्रो प्रो, ये सब इसके डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं. लोटस 123 एप्पल नंबर्स. स्टार्ट एम एस एक्सेल इज फुली मेनू ड्रिवन सॉफ्टवेयर एंड द कमांड्स आर अवेलेबल एज आइकन्स इन वेरियस टैब्स एंड ग्रुप्स. To start MS Excel software, we need to click Start All Program, Microsoft Office Excel. Basics of spreadsheet. MS Excel allows creation of spreadsheets. The basic terms of spreadsheet are: a spreadsheet is a software tool that lets one enter, calculate, manipulate, and analyze set of numbers. The intersection of each row and column is called cell. Cell is an individual container for data. It may hold numbers, formulas, text. An array of cells is called sheet or worksheet. A worksheet holds information presented in tabular row and column format with text that labels the data. A workbook is a document that contains one or more worksheets. A row is given a number that identifies it, starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Column is given a letter that identifies it, starts from A to Z, A, A, Z. Cell pointer, cell boundary that specifies which cell is active at that moment. फिर इसके बाद है cell address used to specify the intersecting of row and column of letter and number of worksheet. फिर कंपोनेंट ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल है, ऑफिस लोगो बटन है, रिबन है, पैनल ऑफ कमांड्स ऑर्गेनाइज ऑन अ सेट ऑफ टैब्स. फिर टैब्स है स्टेटस बार, फॉर्मूला बार. It is located beneath the ribbon. It is used to enter and edit worksheet data. It includes name box, displays all the reference or column and row location of the active cell. Functions are predefined formulas that perform calculations by using specific values called arguments. Clipboard group contains the cut, copy, paste. Alignment used to change alignment of the text in the cells. Vertical, horizontal alignment, indentation, wrap the text, shrink it to fit within the cell, merge multiple cells. Tables होते हैं used to define a range of cell as a table for easy filtering and storing. Create a pivot table chart, arrange the summarize the data. Function library contains a library of functions, mathematical, logical, trigonometric, such as and, if, lookup, average, date. Formula addressing can have relative addressing, absolute addressing, and mixed addressing. Relative addressing to repeat the same formula for many difficult cells. Use the copy paste command. Absolute address to keep a certain position that is not relative to the new cell location. Use absolute positioning. Mixed address is used to keep some part relative and some absolute. The macros is used to define a sequence of actions to perform on a document or multiple documents that can be executed again and again. Charts are the graphical and pictorial representation of worksheet data. A chart consists of following components. X-axis is horizontal axis known as category, and Y-axis is vertical axis known as value axis. चार्ट में एक एक्स एक्सिस होता है कैटेगरी एक्सिस और वाई में वैल्यू. डेटा सीरीज इज सेट ऑफ वैल्यूज यू वांट टू प्लॉट इन द चार्ट. फिर इसके बाद कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ चार्ट हैं चार्ट एरिया, प्लॉट एरिया, चार्ट टाइटल, एक्सिस टाइटल, लेजेंड. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस पढ़ रहे हैं अपन, ये क्या क्या पढ़ रहे हैं. ग्रिड है, डेटा लेवल टाइप ऑफ चार्ट्स है, एरिया, कॉलम, बार, लाइन, पाई, एक्स वाई. अब ये सब आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए कौन सा बार चार्ट होता है, कौन सा कॉलम चार्ट होता है, एरिया चार्ट होता है. ये सब आपको गूगल पे आप टाइप करोगे तो दिख जाएगा. फिर टिटबिट्स हैं. ईच न्यू वर्क क्रिएटेड एक्सेल हैज़ 3 वर्कशीट्स. 3 वर्कशीट होते हैं. एक्टिव सेल होता है. फाइल फॉर्मेट डॉट XLS, illustrations group allow insertion of pictures, clip arts, shapes, smart art. Dollar sign locks the cell's location to a fixed position. Stacked bar column shows the relationship of individual items to the whole. Scatter compares values of pairs of values. Charts wizard used to create charts in MS Excel. Embedded chart is a chart that is drawn on an existing sheet. F2 is edit the selected cell, go to a specific cell, spell check selected text document. F11 create chart, control shift enter the correct time, control plus the correct date, alt shift F1 insert new worksheet. Shift F3, open the Excel formula window, bring up search box, Shift plus F5. Control A, select all contents of the worksheet. Control B, bold highlighted selection. Control I, italic highlighted selection. Control K, insert link. Underline highlighted selection, strike through highlighted selection, bring up the print dialog box to begin printing. Undo last action, minimize current workbook. F9 में minimize हो गया, F10 में maximize हो गया. F6 switch between open workbook windows, page up में move up between Excel worksheet. Down में भी move, कंट्रोल टैब मूव बिटवीन टू और मोर. ये चीज़ें याद रखनी चाहिए. जो MS एक्सेल पे काम करते हैं उनको याद हो जाएगा, बाकी तो ये ऐसे याद होगा नहीं बार बार बोलने से. कंट्रोल स्पेस सेलेक्ट एंटायर कॉलम. कंट्रोल शिफ्ट स्पेस सेलेक्ट एंटायर रो. Microsoft Access, a database is a collection of logically related and similar data. Database stores similar kind of data for a specific purpose that is organized in such a manner that any information can be derived from it when needed. Microsoft Access is an application which allows. इसको हम अगले वीडियो में करेंगे, अभी बहुत बड़ा वीडियो हो गया.